What? The hell?
They must be destroyed in order to prepare the sector of fighter patrols.
Great. Oh, okay. Hey, hello, everybody. I didn't know I didn't know I clicked the button. Well, it was on a timer. That was set a long time ago, and I didn't even know. So I clicked the button. I didn't know the timer went on. I don't know. But we have a Clank mission instead of a new. I think we only have 2 more sectors left. 1, 2, 3, and then like 4, right? Or 3, 4, I don't know. There's probably one like right here, and then there's definitely one up here. Let's just head to our new one. Actually, our Clank mission. Let's head to our Clank mission. I already know it's a Clank. Woo! It's not centered.
Pollux believes the entire procedure will require approximately 183 paradoxes. 84 if the Blarg participate. Sir, might I suggest we allow the Terracnoids to examine the chamber before testing the machine?
What's the matter, Lawrence? Chicken?
Whoopsie, sir. Butterfingers.
I just learned that the Lawmaxes have destroyed the PX-99. Our sentries are searching for their vessel's signature as we speak.
Unacceptable! I practically handed those squishies to you on a silver platter! How could you be so utterly incompetent?
I'll leave you two alone.
If Ratchet or the Elder find the clock, our plans will be ruined! Your body will remain crushed and abandoned on Zorik. Is that what you want? I'm bringing in specialists! Cassiopeia!
Well, hello there.
Karina!
Bonjour.
And Libra.
Hey, how you doing?
Valkyries! Decades ago, your colony was atomized in the Erebus supernova. How would you like to have it back?
And Libra. Hey, how's it going?
That was incredible, sir! Bam! Pow! Kaboom! You had that awesome one-liner! What was that again?
Oh, yes. One hypersonic brainwave scrambler. Scrambler.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah! That was cool!
Oh, I know it's about to happen, but I totally forgot that I fought the hypersonic brainwave scrambler.
Station room's this way.
But we're about to do one of my least favorite.
Halifax, sir.
We're about to do one of my least favorite thing in the Clank missions, and that's whoa. That won't repair? Oh, I guess none of this crap will repair. Sorry, I don't like that little bend thing
What do
you
they
do.
say? Never put up today what you've already done yesterday.
Nope.
No, that's not right. Always do today what you didn't put up yesterday. Nope, that wasn't it
Yeah,
either.
shut up, Sigmund.
Ah, well, it was
I like to do this. Huh, and then boom. Just kidding. Come over here.
Will the junior caretaker please report to Grove Station 7 for the...
I'll get the door. You take them up with the chrono sector.
Oh, god damn it. I freaking hate these little guys. And then there's those ones that you have to launch the things back and they take so long to kill. I guess I don't really like the Clank missions as much as I used to. Because now I guess I've played them way too much.
See, why am I not affected by altered power?
That's your quantum actuator at work. It provides temporal immunity for those of us who protect time.
Mm-hmm. Well, this is an easy one.
Temporal recording initiated.
This is gonna look weird. Just see me go up here. Boing, doing, doing. Well, that I don't think that opened the door. Gosh, I look like an idiot. Ah, barnacle sauce. Now this one's gonna stand there and watch me do everything. He's just gonna go over here and be like, ah. Yeah. Alright, let's see if we can do the same pose as him. God damn it. Oh. Yeah! Okay. Give me my money, money, money. Where's my money? There it is. Doing, doing,
This
doing.
is the most awesomest part of the clock. Large screen Crystal X display. BG 9800 game system. The
Oh yeah,
works.
there's a video here. VG 9000?
Take a seat, sir. Orientation video's about to start. Dun da da da! Orvis Industries presents The Great Clock and You with your host, Orvis.
Hello, and oh, is it on, Sigmund? The light is blinking. Should it be blinking?
Hold on, sir. Okay, try now.
Hello, and welcome to the Great Clock. You're here because you've been selected to join our team, and we couldn't be happier to have you. We have a lot to discuss, but first, let's take a look at what the Great Clock is. Eons ago, our kind entrusted the Fongoids with a special gift, the gift of time travel. We had hoped it would enrich their lives as it did ours, but unfortunately...
They loused it up.
Sigmund, let's just say they were overzealous in its use. After only 3,000 short years, the Fongoids' use of time travel wore the space-time continuum thin. Paradoxes stacked on top of paradoxes, conundrums on top of conundrums, until one day, a tiny rift in the continuum destroyed 83 celestial entities. Existence, it seemed, was at an end. If the universe was to survive, it would need a heart transplant. So, I designed a special gift to repair the damage. The Great Clock. Built in the exact center of the universe, give or take 50 feet. The clock would repair the rift and restore temporal normality to the universe. And that, my son, is where you come in. There are only 2 rules concerning the operation of the Great Clock. Number 1, under no circumstances is it to be used as a time machine. The clock is not meant to alter time, only to keep it. Number 2, should you find yourself wanting to use the clock as a time machine, consult rule number 1. Did you hear that, Sigmund? Because rule number 1, you see, says don't do it.
Brilliant, sir.
All right. Let's go have some tea.
Incredible. The Great Clock is responsible for temporal stability across the universe.
Now you know why Orvis kept it such a secret. Station, the universe would just collapse on itself.
And where is the real Orvis?
I told you. It's a secret. Now, come on. It's time for another.
Yeah. About the Orvis thing. He's dead. I'm just kidding. I don't know.
Hello, XJ0461. It's good to see you again. And now it's time for your most important lesson.
What am I learning this time?
The clock's primary function is to maintain temporal normality.
Oh, I can already go.
When that normality is threatened, you must act to repair it immediately.
Okay, I get it. Okay.
Time anomalies detected on Creely Comet.
Creely Comet.
Ah, the Creely Comet. Beautiful, isn't it?
has fallen prey to temporal rifts.
I gotta go here.
It's up to you to fix it. Go ahead, give it a try. Fix the rifts by focusing your chronoceptor's beam on each anomaly.
I love these missions. I have no idea why. I just think they're freaking phenomenally amazing. I just think they're really fun. And then you get like power-ups and crap.
Temporal ribbon impact in 3, 2,
I get it.
1.
There we go. What? There we go.
Just a few left.
Oh yeah. Dark Eco.
Temporal ribbon impact in 3, 2, 1.
No! Get away.
Warning. Wave speaker detected.
Oh, dang it.
Warning. Wave speaker detected.
Nope. Yeah, I got it. Oh, if you shoot the things again, they die. They go back to normal. Or the yellow stage. Ooh, bolts.
Excellent work, dear boy. Now come. There's one more thing I want to
Oh,
show you.
Darn it. Oh. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. Not my fault. Hurry up, game. Whee! Doing, doing, doing. Ugh. Doing, doing, doing. Doing, doing. I don't know why I just like going doing, doing, doing. Oh, this is the annoying part.
Just swing your chronoceptor and give them a taste of their own.
Oh crap! I didn't even click the right button. With these little turrets, it's not that bad. But with the freaking little green dudes, oh my god, it's so bad. I hate the little flying dinosaur things. It's so horrible because they take so long to kill, and you gotta hit so many of them.
All right, pigments, snap to it.
It's Cork. No. I feel like Star Wars. Bring it on, clone troopers. Hua. 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 2 in 1. So dorky. Baseball. Yeah. Actually, I feel like doing it like baseball now. Oh, jeez, I clicked the wrong button.
Very proud of you, XJ0461.
Thanks, bro.
And now, you're ready for the task ahead. Go forth and fix time. Save the universe. When you're ready, my chamber will be waiting. Program terminated.
Welcome back, sir. Are you ready to repair time?
Ow, my nose. Ow, that hurt. Okay.
What is the chamber? This chamber. That's the main control for
Oh,
the
yeah.
entire facility. It's actually the most secure. I've never been inside it myself, but I hear it has a master switch for the entire universe.
Yep, pretty cool looking. I've seen it. My own eyes. I went on a field trip. Yep, school field trips take you in outer space now. These guys! Oh my god! They freaking take so... And then they move every time you hit the things back at them. Anyways, let's just get on to one of these time anomalies. These fun things. Oh yeah, those are power-ups. No! Get away, you little alien dinosaur things. Yeah, you hit them and it's like a big power bomb.
Temporal ribbon impact in 3, 2, 1.
Ah! Jeez, that one took a while to hit.
Nicely done.
Ugh, let's go. Nope, I didn't get this one.
You're getting pretty good at this, sir.
Ooh, 9 more, right? That's what it means. I think. And you gotta do them in the waves. 4 more. Oh gosh, get the last one. Yay! Oh my gosh, thank gosh you can grab onto spinning creepy ledges. Or they were spinning, so Clanky really shouldn't have been able to do that. Oh, I feel like I can... Wow, I didn't know my stick was magical. Alright.
Temporal recording initiated.
Okay, now we go in one of these. Alright. Get back up there. Alright, use this.
Recording initiated.
Boom! Baby! Woo! Oh yeah, and then you got a thingy. Wait, what does this do? Oh my gosh, can I skip this?
Temporal recording.
Oh, he's gonna go doom 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 for the retard. Okay, I think I get it. Okay. Restart this guy.
Temporal recording initiated.
Oh crap, wrong guy. Nope, restart this guy.
Temporal recording initiated.
Oh god damn it! Okay.
Temporal recording initiated.
Okay, have that guy go in there. He quickly goes in there. And have this guy go up here. There's a gold ball right there. Jump. And get up. Yeah. Okay.
Temporal recording initiated.
Let's do this. Alright, that's it for that guy.
Temporal recording initiated.
Hurry up. Oh, I love these little fun Clank puzzles. Let me up, bro. Woo! Sheesh. Alright, now we restart this dude.
Temporal recording initiated.
I don't know what I did. I was like, oh, okay, I need to restart this one.
Temporal recording initiated.
Because I gotta let him back up, which I forgot to do. Oh! Clank?
A recorded entity.
God
contained.
damn it! Okay. I gotta redo this one. 'Cause he's freaking being
Temporal
retarded.
recording
Okay.
Initiated.
Boom! And the freaking I launched him up there too. He just never came down. I think that's the problem. What blue?
Temporal recording
You little
initiated.
that's the clean version of that song. You little you go. Oh yes. Ka-ding! Ka-ding! Okay, I was like, ka-ding? Oh, okay. We gotta do Now we gotta beat the Clank mission in like 8 minutes or something like that. You little, you? Woo, woo, woo! Dun, 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 dun. This game really reminds me of Super Mario. I don't know why. Super Mario Galaxy. Okay, there's the second one. Where's the third one? Oh, it's just up there. I do a couple spin flippy moves and oh! I ground slammed and then that guy flew off the edge. Oh, great. Oh my gosh, my box. Boom! Oh, that was easy actually. Boom! Hey, the thing launched it. That thing launched back at it itself. Not, I didn't do anything. Oh yeah, it turns green. Alright.
Temporal ribbon inbound in 3,
Let's go.
1.
Okay. Green! I am green and speedy fast. Oh. I think if you get another power up, it goes away right away. No! Oh, it broke off into 2, yeah. Purple, 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 nurple. Ugh. Get the red. I want to get the red right away, actually. Ah! Turn them all yellow. That was pretty cool, actually. Oh, I got those. Nope. I think it's my last one. Oh, no, this one is. What? Where is it? There it is. Alright. Moving on to our last one. Can we do it again? Screw that, I am not gonna wait for those bolts to come to me. Hell no! Get back! Oh, do I have to go that way? Oh, I totally do! You can totally tell, too, because these things are gonna, like, break or something, huh? Or these things here. Oh, no, it's a, what? Oh, that's easy. Okay. There we go, and then we have this one to take us over there. Whee! Nope! Get on! Yeah. Made it. Gosh, oh, these jumps. These jumps are really long. I'm not even gonna go for those bolts because. Thank you. I thought he was following me the whole time. That looks like an elevator. Nope. 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 Not in my house. No. Oh gosh, explosions. Ow! Get out of here. Hola, let me in.
I'll get the door.
Oh, challenger!